Hello, my friend. This is me, Dr. Ehsan. It is 3 o'clock in the evening. I was not feeling asleep, so I decided to create this video. I was thinking about the process of learning a language, and I was thinking when I learned my first language, that is Urdu and Punjabi. At that time, whatever the concept about the whole world, whatever the point of view I collect from my neighborhood, it is in the form of a language that was my mother language. So, right now, whenever I have to speak about any subject, so the ideas, the impression, the mental image is already there in my mind in the form of schemata, and I try to transfer this word knowledge in the form of words in my own language. So what happens when I have to speak a second language? At that time, schemata is already there in my mind, but I do not find vocabulary, grammar, how to transfer these ideas into the target language. So uh, in this way we can say that uh, the idea present in our mind and the words are attached to each other. If we talk about native language, but as far as a second language is concerned, idea is already there, but there are no words, vocabulary, and grammar. So what actually I do, I guide my students how they can transfer their mental ideas in the form of words and vocabulary. So I provide them these words and vocabularies, and whatever the knowledge they have already acquired from their school, college, or universities, and I help them out to speak these ideas in the form of the language. I just guide them. Suppose I just give you a very short example. I just guide my students that if I have to talk about myself, so I refer to as I, and if we are two and three people, so we say that we. One person is I, and a lot of people are we. Now, if I am talking to you, the second person in front of me is you. Whether he is one person, whether he is more than one person. So, but the person who is not right now present in the present situation, so he is he. If we are talking about a man, and that person is she, if we are talking about a woman, and if we are talking about a lot of people who are not present in this situation, they are they. So I am referring myself. I am a man, I am Ehsan, and I am a teacher. So the second person will have to repeat the things. So he will definitely say that you is. So I will guide him that no, you will have to say you are, because we use are with you. So you are a man, or you are a woman, you are Frank, Julia, Richard, you are a student, whatever your name is. Okay, so you can repeat it with me. I am a man, I am Ali, I am a teacher. You are a boy or a girl, you are Julia, Richard, you are a student. So repeat after me. So I will play my part, and later on the student who is sitting in front of me, or any person who is sitting in front of me, he will repeat the same thing. In this way, automatically he start acquiring the language. It means that whatever the knowledge he has already acquired from his school, college or university, I think that is enough for him to transfer his mental image into in the form of language. So I just help him out in this way. So the person who is like, suppose we are talking about his brother, so he is a boy, he is Michael, he is a student, she is a girl, she is Julia, she is a student, they are boys, they are girls, they are Julia and Richard, they are students. So repeat after me. So in this way he will be practicing I, we, you, they, he, she. So these are the basic practice of the pronouns. So slowly and steadily he will be able to speak English. Slowly I will teach him everything, and in this way I can help him out to channelize the language, the target language he wants to learn. So this is actually my methodology. I have the concept is already in my mind, so I have to provide him the specific words and the language tools, how he can express his mental impression in the form of words and in the form of a target language. So bye for now. Hope you are liking my video. Please subscribe my channel, and also make a comment in comment section, and wherever you face any problem you can contact me. My numbers are there, and you can also contact me for a kind of face-to-face interaction. Yeah, I am available online anytime. So bye for now.